A Dream Reimagined. Jaden was a boy from Jamaica, full of dreams. He loved to run. From a young age, he showed incredible speed. Everyone in his town called him the next Bolt. His goal was to be a champion sprinter and make his family proud. His eyes sparkled when he ran, feeling the wind push him forward. At 16, Jaden entered his first national race. It was a big moment, and he felt nervous. His family and friends were in the crowd cheering him on. When the race started, Jaden sprinted with all his strength. He crossed the finish line first, and the stadium roared with joy. He had won. A few months after his victory, Jaden trained harder than ever. But one day, during practice, he felt a sharp pain in his leg. He fell, and the pain was too much. The doctor said it was a serious injury and he might never run again. Jaden's world turned dark. As Jaden lay in bed, unable to train, he felt lost. His dreams of running were gone. He missed the track, his friends, and the feeling of winning. He didn't know who he was without running. His family tried to encourage him, but Jaden couldn't see a way forward. One day, Jaden's uncle came to visit. His uncle, a musician, gave Jaden a guitar and said, "When one door closes, another opens." Jaden didn't understand at first, but he took the guitar and began to play. Slowly, the music gave him comfort. He felt a spark of hope again. Jaden practiced every day. At first, the music was just a way to pass time. But soon he realized he had talent. His fingers moved smoothly and his songs were filled with emotion. People started to notice. Music became his new passion. Jaden's friends invited him to perform at a local event. At first, he was scared. He wasn't used to being in front of people without running. But when he started to play, the audience listened in awe. Jaden felt the same joy he felt while running, but now through music. A scout talent was in the audience that night. He approached Jaden after his performance and offered him a chance to record music in a studio. Jaden couldn't believe it. His dream had changed, but it was still alive. Even though Jaden's music was being noticed, he still missed running. Sometimes he doubted himself, wondering if he had made the right choice. But his family reminded him that dreams can change and that was okay. As Jaden's music career grew, he began visiting schools and talking to students. He shared his story, telling them that even when life takes an unexpected turn, they can still find new dreams. His message inspired many young people to never give up. Jaden's music started to reach people around the world. His songs were full of hope and determination. He was invited to perform at international events, spreading his message of resilience and change. After touring for a year, Jaden returned to Jamaica. The people welcomed him as a hero, not for his running, but for his spirit. He realized that his true success was not in running or music, but in his ability to inspire others. Jaden decided to start a music program for kids who felt lost or didn't know their path. He taught them that life could surprise you with new opportunities, even after a setback. His students learned to play instruments and write songs, finding joy like he had. One evening, as Jaden sat with his guitar, he thought about his journey. He missed running sometimes, but he felt grateful for the injury that had led him to music. His story had changed, but it was still full of purpose and meaning. Jaden's music continued to inspire people, and his work with children grew. He learned that while dreams might not always stay the same, they could transform into something even greater. His life was a story of hope, change, and the power of new beginnings.